Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about some neat important questions. These questions and answers cover a broad range of topics commonly tested in the Neet exam and can help you in preparation. So let's get started. Sure, here are the 30 important questions along with the answers. Question number 1. What is the function of Golgi apparatus in a cell? Answer is the Golgi apparatus is involved in modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins and lipids for secretion or delivery to other organelles within the cell. The second question is define Boyle's law and explains its significance in gas behavior. The correct answer is Boyle's law states that at a constant temperature, the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume. It helps understand how changes in a pressure and volume affect gas behavior, such as during respiration. Question number 3. What are the difference between mitosis and meiosis? The correct answer is mitosis is a process of cell division that produces two identical daughter cells, while meiosis produces four genetically different daughter cells with half the chromosomes number from the sexual reproduction. Question number 4. Describe the structure and function of nephrons in the kidney. Answer. Nephrons are the functional units of the kidney responsible for filtering blood, reabsorbing essential substance, and excreting waste products. Each nephron consists of renal corpuscles, glomerulus, and Bowman's capsule, and renal tubules. Question number 5. Explain the process of photosynthesis, including its reactants and products. The correct answer is photosynthesis is a process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into a chemical energy to produce glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. Question number 6. What is the role of enzymes in a biological reaction? Answer. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reaction by lowering the activation energy required for the reaction to occur without being consumed in the process. Question number 7. Differentiate between dominant and recessive alleles in genetics. Answer. Dominant alleles are expressed phenotypically even in the presence of recessive allele, whereas recessive alleles are only expressed phenotypically when both alleles are in a pair and are recessive. Question number 8. Discuss the function of a central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Answer. The central nervous system CNS processes information and include the brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system PNS connects the CNS to the rest of the body and includes nerves and ganglia. Question number 9. What are the major functions of the liver in a human body? Answer. The liver performs numerous functions, including detoxification, metabolism of nutrients, synthesis of protein, bile production, and storage of glycogen. Question number 10. Define osmosis and explain its importance in maintaining cellular homeostasis. Answer. Osmosis is the movement of a water molecule across a semi-permeable membrane from an area of a lower solute concentration to an area of a higher solute concentration. It helps regulate water balance in cells. Question number 11. Describe the stage of cellular respiration and where they occur in the cell. Answer. Cellular respiration consists of glycolysis in the cytoplasm, the Krebs cycle in the mitochondria, and the electron transport chain in the inner mitochondrial membrane, which collectively produce ATP from glucose. Question number 12. Discuss the law of thermodynamics and their application in biological systems. Answer. The laws of thermodynamics governs energy transformation. The first law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted, while the second law states that entropy, disorder, tends to increase over time. This law helps us explain energy flow and nutrient cycling in a biological system. Question number 13. Explain the process of protein synthesis, including transcription and translation. Answer. Protein synthesis involves transcription, the synthesis of RNA from DNA in the nucleus, and translation, the synthesis of protein from RNA by ribosomes in the cytoplasm, which together convert genetic information into a functional proteins. Question number 14. What is the Bohr effect, and how does it influence oxygen binding to hemoglobin? Answer. The Bohr effect describes how changes in pH and carbon dioxide concentration affects the binding of oxygen to hemoglobin. Decreased pH, acidosis, and increased CO2 causes hemoglobin to release more oxygen to tissues, promoting oxygen unloading. Question number 15. Describe the process of blood clotting and the role of platelets and clotting factors. Answer. Blood clotting coagulation involves a cascade of enzymatic reactions that result in the formation of a fibrin clot. Platelets adhere to site of injury and release clotting factors, leading to the conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin, which forms a mesh to stop bleeding. Question number 16. Define ecology and explain different levels of ecological organization. Answer. Ecology is a study of interactions between organisms and their environment. The level of ecological organization includes individual organizations, population, communities, ecosystem, biomes, and the biospheres. Question number 17. Discuss the structure and functions of DNA, including its role in inheritance. Answer. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, is a double-stranded molecule that contains genetic information of an organism. It serves as a template for RNA synthesis and directs protein synthesis, thereby controlling inheritance and determining an organism's traits. Question number 18. What is the difference between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell? Answer. Prokaryotic cells lack a true nucleus and membrane-bound organelle, while eukaryotic cells have a nucleus and a membrane-bound organelles. Prokaryotes includes bacteria and archaea, while eukaryotes includes plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Question number 19. Explain Mendel's law of inheritance and provide examples of each. Answer. Mendel's law include the law of segregation, Alice segregate during gamete formation, and the law of independent assortments. Alleles for different traits assets independently during gamete formation. Examples include the inheritance of a seed shape and color in a pea plant. Question number 20. Describe the different types of symbiotic relationships in ecology. Answer. Symbiotic relationships include mutualism, both species benefits, commensalism, one species benefit, the other is unaffected, and parasitism, one species benefits, the other is harmed. Question number 21. Discuss the process of evolution by natural selection and provide evidence to support it. Answer. Evolution by natural selection is a process by which heritable traits that increase an organism's chances of survival and reproduction become more common in a population over time. Evidence include fossil records, comparative anatomy, embryology, molecular biology, and observations of natural selections in an action. Question number 22. What are the major components of the human circulatory system? Answer. The human circulatory system consists of the heart, blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries, and blood. It transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. Question number 23. Define the terms genotype and phenotype and explain how they are related. Answer. Genotype refers to the genetic makeup of an organism, while phenotype refers to the observable traits. Phenotype results from the interactions between an organism's genotypes and its environment. Question number 24. Describe the structure and functions of the respiratory system in humans. Answer. The respiratory system consists of the airways, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles. And the lungs, its function is to exchange gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and the environment. Question number 25. What is the significance of biodiversity and what are the major threats to it? Answer. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth and it's important for ecosystem stability, ecology, balance and human well-being. Major threats include habitat destruction, pollution, overexploitation, invasive species and climate change. Question number 26. Explain the process of water and mineral uptake in plants. Answer. Water and minerals are absorbed by plants' roots through osmosis and active transport, respectively. They move through the plant via the xylem and that are distributed to the leaves for photosynthesis and other metabolic processes. Question number 27. Discuss the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Answer. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen and produces ATP through glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. Anaerobic respiration occurs in the absence of oxidation and produces ATP through glycolysis and fermentation. Question number 28. Define the terms homologous and analogous structure and provide examples of each. Answer. Homologous structures are similar in structure but different in function, indicating common ancestry. Example, the forelimbs of mammals. Analogous structures are similar in function but different in structure, indicating convergent evolution. Example is wings of birds and insects. Question number 29. Describe the process of DNA replication and its significance in a cell division. Answer. DNA replication involves the synthesis of a complementary DNA strand from a template strand, resulting in two identical DNA molecules. It is critical for cell division, mitosis, and meiosis, and ensures genetic continuity from one generation to the next. Question number 30. What are the different types of ecological successions and how do they occur? Answer. Ecological succession refers to the gradual change in species composition and ecosystem structure over time. Primary succession occurs in a barren environment with no soil, while secondary succession occurs in the disturbed environment with existing soil. Both involve pioneer species colonizing the area and gradually being replaced by more complex communities. This question and answers cover a broad range of topics commonly tested in the Neet exam and can help you in your preparation. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.